We're now well into the holiday season as our first weekend in December is approaching, and today was a bright start to the new month. A few isolated morning sprinkles going to be expected Saturday morning. More so the winds and the falling temperatures. We're going to be in the upper 30s much of the day, and those wind chills are going to feel harsh. 20s for Saturday afternoon. We even out with lighter winds on Sunday. Dry conditions right around 41 degrees. Always like to get you set for your weekend outlook. Now tonight we've had clear skies. A little bit of cloud cover that's working in has actually now evened us off. Just last hour we were down into the upper 20s. We've now risen back to 31 degrees. We'll hold steady for most areas right around 30 between now and sunrise tomorrow morning. It is 28 in Findlay, 30 degrees in Ottawa, 27 over toward Wasion. And I do expect with the busy holiday season, plenty of opportunity to get out to enjoy it. Toledo Zoo lights before Christmas. For your Friday evening, if you're one that really likes it warm, tomorrow night is going to be about as mild as it's going to get. Upper 40s to near 50 degrees. Even after dark, we hold steady or rise into tomorrow evening. Saturday evening, it's going to be colder. Low 30s, brisk and breezy. Sunday, dry conditions and mid 30s, and it will be dry any of the nights you choose. Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Let's talk about the warm-up that's briefly going to visit the area tomorrow. We do rise through the upper 40s. I expect we're going to hit 50 degrees. Maybe after dark do we actually do that Friday night and continue to climb in a very early Saturday morning. Now, I'll pinpoint down to the hour the timing of that cold front comes through just before sunrise Saturday. Watch the cold front take the 50s right out of the area, swipes it right off to the east. By 9 a.m., we're back into the 30s, and that's where we're going to spend much of the day in the 30s. Now, how about rain chances with that front? Notice the warm-up. We talked about that. A few scattered showers may be developing near or after midnight Friday. So it's very late Friday into early Saturday morning. A couple scattered showers as that front approaches, and then it comes through the area right around daybreak, and it turns us windy and much colder through Saturday afternoon. For your Friday, 51 degrees, but that high may occur late in the day, even near or after dark. Mild and breezy. Winds may gust up to 30 miles per hour. 30s for highs on Saturday afternoon. Windy with just a chance of a morning sprinkle. Outside of that, pretty much the entire weekend is expected to be dry, near 41 degrees for Sunday. Brighter skies will return, and our next chance of rain late Monday into Tuesday will bring some showers into the area. Could even end with a wet snowflake late Tuesday, mid-40s, and a little push of cooler air drops us back into the 30s for highs Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Quiet but dry, cool conditions toward the end of next week.